Hi everyone, it's Aishah from AC Design and Development. I hope you're enjoying your 4th of July weekend. Today I wanted to talk about something I call design freedom. Just like we celebrate freedom as a nation, design freedom is about creating a kitchen or home that truly reflects who you are and how you live. For me, design freedom means having a kitchen that's not just pretty but functional. A space where you can cook, entertain, and feel completely at ease. Here are 2 quick tips to bring more design freedom into your kitchen remodel. 1. Plan your layout around your lifestyle. If you love hosting, create an open prep area that lets you chat with guests while cooking. 1. Choose finishes that feel like you. Whether it's natural wood tones or sleek modern lines, your finishes should reflect your personality, not just trends. I've created a free kitchen and bath planning guide to help you start planning with confidence. You can download it today using the link below. Enjoy the rest of your holiday. And remember, your kitchen should be as free and unique as you are. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.